Welcome back to another video. And I'm actually playing Roblox, but today is not about Roblox. It's about this new drone we got for Christmas, and today we're gonna test it out. As you can see, it says you can stream on your phone with live HD, and then we're gonna try to see if we could do that, and if we could get a lot of good footage of it, it would be cool. So let's go. So now we're out here in a big field. It's actually, this park is called Dave Rose, and it's really cold. I should have worn a bigger sweater, but Jacob, he didn't zip up his sweater because I don't know either. But right now we're gonna test it out and we're gonna see how it goes. Now we're trying the drone. Jacob, move away before you get hurt. So this is our first flight and we'll see how it goes. Let's start it now. Man, that goes far. Bro, it's in someone's yard. So we made a mistake and it landed in someone's yard, and now we're gonna have to go around and get it. So let's go.
There's a dog.
And hopefully there's no dog or anything, because I'm not trying to get bit by no dog. So let's go. So that was a bad test. And then it went to someone's house, so we're gonna have to go further. And let's see attempt number 2, and let's see how it goes. Hopefully this goes better. It was really cool, but it went to someone's house and I was scared to get it. But we got it. Yeah, I heard something. I'm just kidding, I was just a little girl, being a little girl back there. But attempt number 2, here we come.
On the road.
Oh my goodness, it's gonna crash a tree.
Relax. Oh, if it doesn't go on the road. It does.
Oh, it crashed a tree.
Oh, it's gonna.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's by the car. So it landed by the car. We're gonna have to run and go look at it. At number 3. Where is it? It's in minimum. Alright, it's kinda going that way again. I don't see it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I think you can see it. Jacob, get off the scene. Alright, we're good. That was kind of a failed attempt, so attempt number 4, here we go. Yo, he's gonna crash me, yo. Why keep going that way? Oh, he's gonna crash the trees again. Attempt number 5, I think this is the last attempt, and let's start it up.
The last attempt is pretty going high.
It's pretty going high. I think that's the highest it went. I think this is good.
Attempt 5 is the luckiest. I can see
Zoom
it.
out.
What is that X?
You see that?
Look at that X.
It's up there like a bird.
Oh gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
It crash landed badly. We have to go get it. Come on. So things did not go as planned today because we're still new to this drone thing, so we're gonna keep testing it out. And second thing, it went too high and it can only last 10 minutes fully charged, so that's like the flaw of it. So now we're just gonna go home. Jacob's over there picking up the drone because it crash landed badly. You could hear it. I heard it, but I don't know if you guys heard it. So we're gonna go home because it's super cold. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's gonna wrap it up. And we'll see you next video on the Nico and Jacob show. Peace.